Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says let vector A equals this, vector B equals this, and vector C equals this. Then, box product of vector A, B, C depends upon. So, first you have to find out box product of A, B, C, and then you have to comment it depends upon what. So, first write down the coefficient of vector A. So this is 1, 0, minus 1, x, 1, 1 minus x, then c, y, x, 1 plus x minus y. Okay. Now, let's open this determinant. So 1 time 1 plus x minus y minus x plus x square minus 0 time 0 minus 1 time x square minus y. Correct. Let's open this one. So 1 plus x, wait, this thing gone. So 1 minus y plus x square minus x square plus y. So this thing gone, this thing gone. So we are left with 1. This means that the STP does not depend upon any one of the variable x, y, and z. Irrespective of the values of x, y, and z, all the time scalar triple product will come out to be 1. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of Mathflix.